Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install fog lights on F150 model from 2009 through 2014. So this is the bumper removed. That plastic at the bottom is the lower portion of the bumper, basically the bottom of the bumper, and that's the top. So what you need to install the fog lights on F150 is, let me show you, there's three mounting points. There's one there, there is one there, and there is one there. If you don't have those clips for the bolts, it's not a problem. Let me show you how they look, what they look. So this is what they look like. If you don't have them, it's not a problem because you can use just bigger size washers, a regular 10 millimeter, whatever the size is. I'm not sure what the size of the bolt is, or maybe even, yeah, whatever the size is, with the washers on both sides, not without using this metal clip, whatever it's called. It can be attached. So let me show you how it's being attached. So we have the fog lights. So this is the fog lights. So this is how it's been installed. It slides right there. Let me show you again. So it comes out just like that, straight forward. And then you attach your bolts 1, 2, and 3. And same thing on the other side. So this is a straightforward, since the bumper is already removed. Can be done on a vehicle, but if the bumper is removed, it's just easier to install while it's on the bumper is off the truck. Can be installed while the bumper is there. It just a little bit more uncomfortable. So this is it, straightforward. And once the bumper with the fog light is installed, next step is to connect wires. Connecting cable or wire to the fog light is a straightforward, basic, simple step. You can do it from underneath, or you can do it from the top. It's just like that. Just go slide it there. It clicks, and that's it. That's how easy and straightforward. Not much to it. So this is how easy to connect fog lights. If you have questions, ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share my video with others, and I want to thank you and good luck.